Have you ever wondered what happens after your beautiful roses finish blooming? Hidden inside those colorful rose hips are the seeds that can grow brand new rose plants. Today I'll show you how to harvest rose seeds step by step. It's easier than you might think, so let's get started. Wait until your rose hips have fully matured on the plant. They should be firm and display their mature color depending on the variety. Once they're ready, carefully harvest them from the bush. Using a clean, sharp knife, carefully slice each rose hip in half. Be gentle while cutting to avoid damaging the seeds hidden inside. Now use your thumb or a small spoon to scoop and scrape out the seeds along with the tiny hairs surrounding them. Take your time to collect every seed. Place the seeds into a small container and rinse them thoroughly with clean water. This removes any remaining pulp, which helps keep the seeds clean before storage or planting. Once clean, you have two options. Store the seeds in a cool, dry place for a short time, or begin preparing them for germination right away if you're ready to grow new roses. Harvesting rose seeds is a rewarding way to grow unique roses from your own garden. Every seed has the potential to produce a beautiful new plant with its own special characteristics. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with fellow gardeners, and subscribe to Enthusiast Gardener for more gardening tips. Happy gardening, and I'll see you in the next video.